So this is our first travel kit, and it's got products from our regenerating routine, our Forte Rigeneranti routine, which are our top selling products, our anti-aging products. And so I am going to take the lovely Rachel through this routine and the products in here. So let's go through the products. First, we've got the cleansing step, which it's also worth noting all of these products have been clinically approved for sensitive skin, and so this cleansing milk's very gentle, very hydrating and nourishing on the skin. It's got lots of great ingredients, omega rich oils, 3, 6 and 9, aloe leaf juice, rose oil and much more. So I'm going to let you apply this, and with cleansers I like to do a bit of a face massage, so I'll always apply it first with effleurage movements and then really kind of massage around the décolleté area and then kind of working up the face. So Rachel's a pro, as you can see. Perfect, and now we're going to wash that off with some warm water. So next up we have our Helichrysum Toner, which is great because it's a super hydrating toner. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, white wine, which is a great antioxidant, and the white wine comes from a vineyard near where our farm is based. And this has a little spritz, so you can close your eyes and spritz it over your face, and then I like to pitter-patter my face with my fingertips when I use it, just to boost circulation.
It's lovely.
Thanks. Perfect. So next up we have our Pistachio Face Mask, and this face mask has been one of our most popular products. It's won a number of awards. It's clinically proven to hydrate the skin for over 12 hours after one application and one wash off. Lots of omega rich oils in there. We've also got a multivitamin supplement in there, so panthenol. We use a lot of provitamin B5, panthenol and vitamin E to really soothe and hydrate skin. So I'll let you apply that, or I'll pump. And it's cream based, as you can see, and it's great because you can also leave it on overnight and let it absorb. And what I do with cream based masks is I leave them on for 5 minutes if I'm going to wash them off, and then I will just massage in any excess before washing it off, so as not to waste any product. Perfect, so we'll leave that to sit for 5 minutes and then we'll massage in and wash off. Now the last 3 products in this kit are our top selling products, and these 3 products have Myoxinol in them. That is a great ingredient that's known as, it comes from Hibiscus peptides, and effectively it's been dubbed the Botox plant for its ability to kind of freeze lines and act a bit like Botox. So these 3 products together, the Hibiscus Serum, the Prickly Pear Face Cream and the Hibiscus Night Cream, are clinically proven to reduce wrinkle depth, reduce visibility of wrinkles. So there are star anti-aging products, and given it's the day, we're going to go with the Hibiscus Serum first and then the Prickly Pear Face Cream, and we'll let you save the night cream for another time. So here's our serum. Other than Myoxinol in there, it has multimolecular weight of hyaluronic acid, so very important to hydrate the skin. There's also tetraceramide complex in there, so 4 different ceramides which we naturally have in our skin, and they reduce as we age, so important to protect and hydrate the skin. And with the serum, I like to apply it and then kind of pat the face afterwards just to let it absorb. And then next up is the Prickly Pear Face Cream, which, as I said, has that Myoxinol in it. It also has prickly pear polysaccharides. Now, Sicily's full of prickly pear, and prickly pear polysaccharides are known to act in the same way as hyaluronic acid, so they act like a sponge. So really important to hydrate the skin. Of course, there's hyaluronic acid in there and lots of omega-rich oils too. Maybe I give you a bit too much. A little goes a long way with the products generally. Perfect. How's it feeling?
That feels amazing.
Looks great.
Yep.
It's glowing. So there's our travel kit and the products within it. So thank you.